Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneDrive to share claim evidence with adjusters step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the OneDrive website. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once signed in, locate the option to upload files. Click on the Upload button and select Files or Folder. Choose the claim evidence files you wish to share. Wait for the files to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, locate the uploaded files in your OneDrive. Right-click on the file or folder you want to share. Select the Share option from the context menu. In the sharing settings, enter the email address of the adjuster. Set the appropriate permissions to either view or edit. Include a message if you wish to provide context about the shared files. Click the Send button to share the link. You can also copy the sharing link for multiple recipients. To do this, select Copy Link instead of entering an email address. Paste the link in a message or email to the adjusters. Ensure all necessary files are linked for easy access. Check your OneDrive periodically to see if the adjuster has viewed the files. Update or add files as needed throughout the claims process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.